Hi everyone, welcome to Aptitude Class Guru. So in this video we are going to discuss about the step-by-step registration process of the TCS NQT Ninja hiring for 2022 passed out batch. So if you are not yet know about any eligibility criteria and test patterns, we already done the video on that. So the link will be provided in the description. Test eligibility and whatever the test pattern it might be and what are the FAQs they are asked. So all this we already discussed in the previous video. So the link is provided in the description. Please watch that if you not yet completed the video. And in this video we are totally focusing on how to register and how to apply for this TCS NQT 2022. The link for this homepage of this TCS Ninja hiring I am providing in the description as well. When you click on that link, you will redirect to this homepage. So you can see here it is a registration open tab. So just press on it and a new tab will be opened like this. So which is a TCS Next Step portal. Here you have to register and you have to apply for this TCS NQT. So just press on the registration button and you will come up with this pop-up like whether you are applying for IT or BPS. So by default you have to select information technology. So IT you have to press, then it will be loaded the page like this. Okay, just fill your corresponding details here. So I'm directly and I'm doing very quickly whatever the content I am having. So I am selecting some Cognizant Center. So whatever the test location is near to you, please select the corresponding test location. Go complete the registration form. So this is the form we have completed. Just press on the submit button and it will ask you for the confirmation, and just press on the confirmation button and you will rewrite to this page. So the first step was completed. So the basic registration was completed. So this is your reference ID you have to take care of, and the corresponding mail will send to your direct email address. So it's not an issue. So I'm just doing the continuation part here. So I'm again they're asking for some password to confirm. So I have entered the password and yes, we have entered into this. Fill the application form first, right? So just go to the application form and complete it. So just look at here guys, here we have a 4 tabs, which is personal details we have to enter, and academic and work experience you have to enter, and other details you have to mention whatever they're asking, and application preview and declaration. So these are the 4 tabs you have to apply for, and each and every tab need to be very clear, right? So just I am entering into the basic things. So already you have entered the personal details in the registration, so by default they will arrange. So father's name, so that's it. And coming to the gender, everything fine. So address I am making just East Godavari. So I make, if your permanent address is same as the present address, so make it yes, or if it is no, then make it no and just add your present address as well. So permanent and present may be different for some people, so add them up. And even coming to the contact details, you already entered in the while you are registering. So these are the things. If you want to enter any alternative email ID and alternative phone numbers, you can add here, so that we are doing save and continue. So just look at here, I have entered all the personal details perfectly, so that's why we are come up with a tick mark, right? So make sure that before going to next section, the section which is filled by you previously as declared correct or not. Okay, just enter into the academic thing. So here we have multiple tabs we have to take care of. Sorry, highest qualification category which is given. So highest qualification is nothing but I have entered as a BTech. So by default they was clear. So I am directly entering into the save and continue, and it will go to the next tab, that is graduation. So when coming to the graduation part, you have to enter the course duration. So I have always full time. So specialization you have to select. Specialization I'm selecting as something easy. So electronics and communication engineering. So you can enter either CGPA or marks, whatever you can. So I am entering some CGPA. So I am entering at this 7.2. and out of 10 points, so the percentage would be 72.00. And he is clearly mentioned when you are entering the percentages, equivalent percentages, you have to add up to 2 decimal points, right? So save and continue. So now we are entering into the +2. So whatever it may be, a depmo or equivalent or both, you can select that. So I am entering as a +2 only. So specialization is nothing but I am entering as a MPC. And when coming to the board, I am selecting state board. So just take care of, guys, here the course duration is only for 12 standard, so it will be a duration of 1 year only. So take care of that. So many people got the error like they are entering 2 years duration for this intermediate or +11 +12 duration, but he is asking for only +12. So you have to add only 1 year duration, right? And I am making this full time, and I am entering the simple marks, which is nothing but 936 out of 1000 marks. So after completion, just go through 10th class. So save and continue. Enter your 10th class roll number, whatever it may be. So, and next when coming to the university, whatever the university you have to fill, and select the board, which is nothing but state board I am considering. So you have to take care of this years very well, guys. And I am again entering some marks like 525 or 600 marks. So yes, save and continue, everything fine. So we have entered graduation and 12 and 10th class. Any qualification, if you have any additional things, you can add, or else you can press no. And when coming to the work experience, if you have any work experience, you can say yes, and you can enter your work experience. If you are a fresher, just say no. And when coming to the declaration part, yes. Do you have any breaks in studies? No. And if you've done any other courses, no. If you have pending backlogs, no. If you have pending backlogs, you can say yes. And how many you can select? So minimum 1 is allowed by them. So just look at that. So when coming to the declaration, you have to read all the instructions and say some yes according to their instructions, right? So that's it. This is the end of the academic one. So when you complete the academic experience details, it will again showing a tick mark. So it is successfully, all the columns were filled. So just look into the next other details, which is a like nationality. So when coming to the nationality, I am entering as a Indian. So obviously it is for Indians. So out of the countries will not allowed for this drive as well. So whatever the languages you can know, you can add here. Whatever your mother tongue is, you have to highlight that. Language certifications, if you have any, you can add that. If you don't have any, just leave the column like that and save and continue. So please specify achievements or scholarship, whatever you have. If you have any special scholarships or any participations, you can do that, or else you can just save and continue. Again, name and everything here we have. So just enter the name as per the smart card. So how to print this name, and remember, guys, this must be your name is same as your identity, like PAN card or Aadhaar card, whatever it may be. Please enter your name corresponding to your identical proof. So blood group, you can select whatever the blood group you are. So here we have two things, which is you have to upload your photo and you have to upload your CV. And photo is of JPG format. Upload CV, it must be a PDF format, so it must be 500 KB below of the sizes, everything. So you can see all the three sections are clearly mentioned. So I have given some wrong informations actually, but please make sure that you are filling all the columns very clear and they are correct. Then only you can able to, after cracking the examination as well, they will verify all your documents, right? So here they are saying some mentions. Are you involving any pending on civil records? No. So are you involving any pending? No. So just read the security details and make it no. So here you have to agree all the things and just press on the agree as well, and date and some place some value and submit the application form. And you can able to see this pop up. I would like to apply for TCS recruitment drive. Just press on yes, and then you will redirect to this page, and there you can see some important points, and press on select. So in center or remote, you can do two types. In center means nothing but you have to go to there for the TCS Ion centers, and you have to write the exam on their centers. Remote is nothing but you can select this option for to write the examination at your home with the proper instructions whatever they are providing, right? So this is the two columns you can select from this. So select I am selecting remote and just apply, and so that I am ready to you have applied for recruitment drive. So we have successfully submitted the form, and yes, all the things are completed. So just track your sheet. So just look at here, you can see the activity and the corresponding status. So as you can see, applied for a drive, yes, applied for a drive, and another activity, application received, yes, application received. So everything is fine. So this is the registration completion now. So as you see in the application process, they have said the fourth step as to confirm your status, check the status should reflect as applied for drive. So as you can see in our screenshot, it is applied, right? Again, you will get a mail for your inbox after successfully submission of this track. So immediately after submission, please track your application status as well. So that's it for this video, guys. Soon we will come up with TCS NQT in detail syllabus explanation and everything. Thank you so much. Bye bye.